Welcome back. So again, we're here on international SEO. So this is one of the factors which is important, and you should be adding this on your on your blog, or you should be doing this thing. So what it is, href flank, href flank. So this is basically a technical term which is is an HTML attribute. Here you can see HTML attribute that tells search engine which language or region a web page is intended for. So this is what it is. It helps ensure the correct version of a page is shown to user based on their language and locations. So these are the two things which tells Google that our website is in this language or in this particular location, improving user experience and search usability. So this is what hreflang states. Here you can see we have the full blog on this from href.com. So if you want to go in and deep research on hreflang, you can eventually read all those things. How you can add, and what are the benefits of adding hreflang on your blog, and what are the and how you can actually add. So first thing first, let me show you one of the thing. This is a blog, and let me show you. These guys have did a good use of hreflang. So here you can see this is the HTML look of this particular e-commerce blog. So if you just come down, here you can see they're letting Google know that link alternative herflang, this from this language to, they're actually saying that this page of this blog has the alternative of this. Here you can see .es, which stands for Spain, and FR is for France. So these are the languages that they are letting Google know that our this page is also has an alternative of for France. So this is how this whole hreflang is used. If you want to use it, you can, there are particular tools and plugins you can use, and from and you can also check out with this from the page source. So again, moving ahead here for or on this blog, href has defined the most common hair flag issues. So if I have explained you guys that what is href flag, and here you can see some of the issues based on the study of 3 lakh 74,700, and a lot of people have page missing X default, page missing self referencing href tags reference directed to broken pages, pages missing reciprocal tags. So these are the issues that when somebody do hreflang, so they might face. This is the definition. Again, moving here, why does hreflang matter for SEO? So why it is important? Because we are here to let Google know that we are, our blog is in a particular region, or in a particular country, or in a particular language, so that Google will eventually rank our blog to the specific area. This is what hreflang is about. So what does the hreflang tag look like? This is the tag I have shown you guys that for this blog. For this blog, I have showed you guys that they are doing this thing. Moving ahead, here you can see how to construct a hair flag tags. So how you can construct it. Example, targeting a local optional. This is a whole guide you can check out. I will drop the link of this blog in the description. I hope you understand this. I hope you understand this. And if you want to know how you can add hreflang in your blog, so there are plugins you can use in order to show uh, Google that our website is particularly in the particular area or particular region, or in a particular have a particular language. So that's pretty much it for this. I hope you understand this. See you in the next video.